Good evening, welcome back to sharegiants. Now we'll see about end of the day market report. First we will see how US market closed overnight. Overnight, Dow Jones gained 205 points and closed at 15,373. Nasdaq gained 45 points and closed at 3,839. And S&P 500 gained close to 23 points and closed at 1,721. Whereas Asian markets, Nikkei gained 119 points and closed at 14,586. Straits Times gained 12 points and closed at 3,186. Hang Seng lost 133 points and closed at 23,094. And Taiwan gained 42 points and closed at 8,374. And Kospi lost 6 points and closed at 2,040. Whereas Shanghai lost 4 points and closed at 2,188. Our market is mixed today. Nifty down 43 points and closed at 6,045. It opened at 6,098 and made a high of 6,110. From there we started to fall heavily and we made a low of 6,032. We'll see about intraday movements in Nifty. We opened at close to 6,098 and made a low of 6,067 by 9:40. From there we started to see a bit of recovery and we started to move towards 6,109, close to 1041. This is the top for the whole day. From there we started to fall and we have fallen close to 6,087 by 120. From there again we started to fall and we by 127 market started to fall heavily and we made a fresh low of 6,044 and 6,032 in intraday. By 3 o'clock market started to recover and it moved towards 6,076. After 3 o'clock again we started to fall and we made a low of 6,045 and we closed at 6,045. Sensex closed at 20,415, losing 132 points. It opened at 20,579 and made a high of 20,629 and a low of 20,375. Now we will see about top gainers and losers in Nifty first. JP gained 7%, Bharti Airtel gained 2.8%, ONGC gained 2%, and ITC gained 1.6%, and Ranbaxy gained 1.4%. Whereas losers are IT packs today. TCS lost close to 4.8%, HCL Tech lost close to 6.7%, IndusInd Bank lost close to 4.4%, and Larsen & Toubro lost close to 4%, and Tata Motors lost close to 4%. Outside Nifty, Genesis International gained 13%, Cosmos Films gained close to 11%, Dunsri Petro gained close to 14%, Petro Engineering gained 9%, and Jyoti Structures gained 9%. Whereas losers, ThinkSoft lost 9%, Inox Leisure lost 6%, Diamond Power lost 6%, Compo-H lost close to 6%, and Advanta lost 5%. Advanced decline ratio of the scrips advanced close to 1,522 scrips advanced and decline is close to 1,569 scrips and unchanged is close to 625 scrips. Now we will sector wise we will see that which are the gainers today. S&P BSE Consumer Durables, S&P BSE FMCG, Oil and Gas, S&P BSE PSUs, Small Cap and Mid Cap closed in green today. Now we'll see about commodities. Brent crude is trading around $110, almost losing 0.49%. Gold is trading around 29,499, gaining close to 551 rupees, and silver is trading around 48,432, almost gaining 1,060 rupees. Natural gas is trading around 229 rupees 80 paisa, almost losing 5 rupee 40 paisa. Right now we will see about rupee. Rupee closed at 61 rupees 22 paisa against dollar, gaining almost 61 paisa against dollar today. Whereas against euro it lost 2 paisa and closed at 83 rupee 55 paisa, and against pound it lost 18 paisa and closed at 98 rupees 61 paisa. Right now all the European markets are trading in red. FTSE is losing almost 22 points, CAC is losing almost 27 points, and DAX is lost almost 69 points in trading. Now we will see about how our calls performed for the day. We have given 3 buy calls and 3 sell calls in the morning. We have given Cipla buy call, which made a low of 419 almost at 959. From there it started to move high and it made a high of 422.85 almost at 1020, giving you a gain of close to 0.9%. Bharati Airtel we have given a buy, which made a low of 340 rupees 80 paisa almost at 916, and it started to move up and made a high of 350 rupees close to at 2838, giving you a return of close to 2.5%. Whereas our buy call in JP Associates, it made a low of 41 rupee 80 paisa almost at 960. From there it made a high of close to 45 rupees, giving you a gain of almost 7% in intraday. Then we have given our sell call. We have given sell call on Hero Motor Corp. It made a high of 2081 rupees 10 paisa almost at 35, and it made a low of 2056 rupees 70 paisa almost at 324. It started to move up and go down drastically at the last minute of trading, giving you a gain of 24 rupees, almost 1% gain. Our next sell call we have given SBI. It made a high of 1627 almost at 10 o'clock. From there it started to fall and it made a low of 1600, giving at 1124, giving you a gain of close to 27 rupees, almost 1.8% intraday. Last call, sell call, we have given Kotak Mahindra Bank in the morning. It made a high of 692 rupees at 1058. From there it started to fall and it made a low of 674 rupees 10 paisa almost at 150, giving you a gain of close to 18 rupees, that is almost 2.8% gain in intraday. Almost all the calls went good today. For more, visit our website www.sharegiants.com, or if you have any queries, post it in YouTube itself. Thank you.